When you create a pivot table in Excel and then select a cell in that pivot table, you should see a field list that shows all the fields from the source data and then has 4 areas where you can drop those fields. So we've got a report filter area, rows, columns, and a place for the values. In the field list, by default, at the top you'll see the fields and the 4 regions in a square below that, but you can change that layout. Here I've got really short field names, so there's lots of space over at the side. I'm going to click this Tools drop down and you'll see different layouts. I don't use these options that either show just the fields or just the areas, but the first 2 options let you see the fields and areas together. This is the default one, and this one makes a narrow field list and then the 4 areas beside it. So this layout is good if you've got shorter field names, and perhaps a long list of them. You're able to see more, plus you can see all the areas. You can also adjust the width of this field list by pointing to its border and dragging it. And another thing you can do with the field list is point to the title area. You'll see a 4-headed arrow, and then you can drag it onto the worksheet where it becomes a floating field list. If you want to put it back, point to this title area again, double click, and it's then locked at the side. You can move it to the left side or have it floating. And there's another option on this Tools drop down. You can sort the field list either A to Z or the fields in the data source. Here they're in the data source order, but I can go A to Z, so if you've got a long list, it's easier to find those.